Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if your Windows laptop is not charging to 100% and getting stuck at 60 or 80%. Now, this usually happens due to the wrong settings on your laptop. For example, on my Lenovo laptop, there is a setting that automatically stops charging after the battery reaches 80%. To change it, I first need to open the Lenovo Vantage app using the search menu. In the Lenovo Vantage app, scroll down to click on Power. Now, scroll down and disable this overnight battery charging mode as it pauses charges around 80%. Now, go down and turn off this conservation mode toggle as well. Similarly, if you have a laptop of a different brand, you can open its app and look for such settings. After this, your laptop should charge to 100%. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.